In today's video,
the easiest recipe to flush your kidneys.
Because there's no need to invest in expensive cleanse diets or to buy tons of detox supplements to keep your kidneys free of toxins and waste. In fact, there are 3 things you absolutely need to know before trying any drink to flush the kidneys, because not all the recipes out there are safe. So, if you want to know what is the best and safest drink to do a kidney cleanse using just simple ingredients you may already have at home, watch today's video. Hello, this is Catherine and welcome to Double O Kidney. So today we are going to talk about the easiest drink to flush your kidneys, made using just some easy to find and cheap home remedies. But remember that if you want to be safe, there are 3 things you need to know before starting a kidney cleanse. So let's see what they are. First thing to know, kidney flushing 101, the basics. Detoxification, detox, diets are more popular than ever. These diets claim to clean your kidneys and eliminate harmful toxins from your whole body. And while it is not entirely clear how they do this and if they even work as intended, a lot of people report feeling more focused and energetic during and after flushing programs. What we know for sure is that there are some ingredients proven to work. We will see them in a moment. And that there are cases in which a cleanse is actually recommended. Now, if you suffer from kidney disease, you should be absolutely careful with any supplement, herb, or procedure you want to try, because there is the risk that some ingredient may do more harm than good. So remember to talk with your doctor and to never avoid or delay standard care, because that will have serious consequences. And don't worry, because today I'll show you exactly what ingredients are safe and what you should avoid. Because if you have kidney disease, it's always a good thing to know what you can use to improve your health and what will only cause troubles. So, if you want to prepare a drink to flush your kidneys, let's try to understand a little bit better what works and what doesn't. Second thing to know, the right ingredients. Let's start from the beginning and let's see some simple ingredients that can be used to flush the kidneys. First ingredient. Here. Apple cider vinegar. This is maybe one of the oldest home remedies and it has some wild claims about it. Here are some of the supposed benefits you may gain from an apple cider vinegar detox. Gives the body a good dose of enzymes, supports a healthy immune system, helps with weight control, promotes pH balance in the body, aids with healthy digestion, adds good bacteria for the gut and immune function, helps remove sludge toxins from the body, soothes skin and helps keep it healthy. There's even people using it to calm the itch and to improve the hygiene of their intimate areas. Now, while ACV for sure has some very interesting properties, most of these claims are really hard to prove. But before you start using it, it may be worth understanding what claims are real and what are just claims. What are the proven health benefits of apple cider vinegar? It is proven that it can help fight diabetes, and this is a really interesting property for people wanting to use it to fight kidney disease. Let's not forget that type 2 diabetes is the #1 cause of CKD in the world. This is due to the fact that the high sugar levels caused by diabetes damage the kidneys. So anything that can slow down this process, like ACV, apple cider vinegar, can help with a kidney flush. And there are studies proving this. ACV is supposed to lower cholesterol and to improve heart health. Heart disease is not just a risk factor for CKD. It is currently the world's most common cause of premature death. Many animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower triglyceride levels and cholesterol, along with several other heart disease risk factors. Second ingredient, cayenne pepper. Here. Considered by many people the king of medicinal herbs, cayenne pepper has recently made headlines thanks to an Italian study. This is a very recent study. You may have heard about it. They published it just yesterday. The study analyzed more than 20,000 Italians and their estimated intake of chili peppers. It found a link between regularly eating peppers and a lower risk of death, including deaths caused by heart disease. So, what's better for a cleanse than something that can help with cardiocirculatory health? And it's not just that. Cayenne peppers and chili peppers have been used for thousands of years to help treat many health problems. Studies confirm that the capsaicin in cayenne peppers has metabolism boosting properties. It helps increase the amount of heat your body produces, making you burn more calories per day. An increase in your metabolism will be great for flushing the kidneys. Also, the capsaicin in cayenne peppers may reduce high blood pressure. Third ingredient, lemon juice. Some people like to squeeze a fresh organic lemon in a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. This is said to be able to regularize your digestive system, and the effect is usually immediately noticeable. But how does this work? The liver is extremely active during sleep, since this is the body's time to restore and regenerate. Drinking enough water, especially in the morning, helps make sure that the body can perform these jobs most effectively. There is even some evidence that lemon juice can help stimulate proper stomach acid production and bile production. And there are other benefits from a lemon water-based cleanse. It may help prevent infections and avoiding getting sick, thanks to the high content of vitamin C. It may help you lose weight, thanks to the polyphenols naturally present in the lemon. It may even improve digestion, thanks to the citrus flavonoids. Okay, since health is our #1 concern here, do these ingredients have side effects? Well, there are a couple of side effects worth mentioning. Apple cider vinegar can cause drug interactions if you take too much of it, especially with blood sugar lowering medications. It can also interact with potassium levels. It is supposed to lower them. And this is very important for people suffering from kidney disease because potassium is one of those things to keep always under control. So don't take too much of it and check with your doctor if it's safe for you. So if you suffer from kidney disease and have a potassium allowance, remember that ACV, apple cider vinegar, can lower it and that lemons contain some of it. About 80 milligrams of potassium per lemon actually. 80 milligrams are not a lot since lemons are low in potassium, but it should still be taken into account. People with kidney disease can frequently have too high potassium levels, but even too low levels are not uncommon. So always check with your doctor before increasing your intake of ACV or really any type of supplements. Now I'm only talking about these side effects to be sure that everyone takes the necessary precautions, but we are basically talking about food items here. This cleanse is one of the safest you can find. Okay, so these were our ingredients. I'll show you how to put them together in a moment. First, we need to see the third thing to know before starting a cleanse. When to do a cleanse and when not to do it. To understand when it's the right time to start a cleanse and when to avoid it, we need to know what is a cleanse. Cleanse diets are generally short-term dietary interventions designed to flush out toxins from your body and from your kidneys. They usually involve a period of fasting followed by a strict diet of fruit, vegetables, maybe smoothies, and a lot of water. This is claimed to rest your kidneys by fasting, stimulate your liver to get rid of toxins, improve circulation, promote toxin elimination through feces, urine, and sweat, provide your body with healthy nutrients. Some people even use products like herbs and supplements, which I don't recommend if there isn't a specific need. As we have seen, even simple ingredients like vinegar and chili pepper can have interactions with prescription drugs. Herbs can have even more side effects, so don't use them at random. Use herbs only if you know what you're doing, but don't forget the vegetables part. There is a lot of research suggesting that some foods, herbs and spices can enhance the body's ability to flush out toxins. These include cruciferous vegetables, spices like the cayenne pepper we're using, and some herbs. Now, the kidneys already do a great job of purifying themselves and removing and breaking down waste. So, your best bet for flushing your kidneys naturally will be to find ways to help these essential organs function most efficiently. In most of the cases, all you really need is a well-balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables and enough water. You should also limit or avoid eating too much sugar, saturated fats, packaged foods, and junk foods. This will ensure that your kidneys are operating at their best. Of course, things can go wrong with your kidneys that can't be controlled with diet alone. So remember that if you've been diagnosed with kidney disease, you should talk to your doctor about any special dietary changes, herbal teas, or lifestyle changes you may want to make in order to manage your condition. However, there are situations in which a special regimen to flush your kidneys is recommended. There are some diagnostic tests that are known to cause kidney damage, especially to people with their kidney function already impaired. So, if you get prescribed a CT scan, an angiogram, or an MRI, doing a flush with water may be the best choice, especially if it's a test done with intravenous contrast. Drinking a lot of water before and after the test is recommended because water can help detoxifying your kidneys from the dangerous substances present in the contrast. We are talking about a gallon of water the day you do the test and another gallon right after you do it. The sooner you flush out the substances, the better. Remember that if you have kidney disease, tests like CT scans and MRIs can be dangerous, and other than doing this water cleanse, you should let your doctor know about your condition. Now, since we have talking about water, water is the single most important ingredient of any kidney flush regimen that actually works, because While there's limited scientific evidence that detoxing ingredients and products actually work, an increased volume of water can help in a lot of cases. So it's crucial to drink enough water so that the kidneys can properly flush out any excess waste materials. This is especially important during a kidney cleanse. The recommended daily intake of fluids is roughly 3.7 liters and 2.7 liters a day for men and women. This corresponds to about a gallon of water for men and 3/4 of a gallon for women. Also remember that if your doctor prescribes you a fluid allowance, you should never exceed that. Okay, let's see the full recipe. We are going to use warm water, purified or distilled, 12 to 15 ounces or 350 milliliters to 450 milliliters. Raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 13 milliliters. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. This is about half a lemon. Cayenne pepper, 1/10 teaspoon, 0.2 grams or more to taste. Sweeteners. Some people like to use sweeteners, but I don't recommend them. If you can't bear the taste of this cleanse, try 4 drops of stevia. Avoid other sweeteners because a lot of them cause kidney damage. People usually consume this cleanse 3 times each day, upon waking, mid-morning, and again mid-afternoon. The set period of time could vary from several days to a month, but it is usually better to start slow. And remember to always rinse your mouth with water after the cleanse, so the citric acid from the lemon juice doesn't remain on teeth. Now, no cleanse could work without the proper diet. If you want to know how to improve your renal diet, watch this video now. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.